Hi, I'm Chloe. In this video, you'll find easy to follow instructions for assembling the Enduro Mesh office chair by Jasper J. So let's get started. Included in the box are back, seat attached to posture sure 3-lever mechanism, gas lifter and cover, 5-star base, 5 casters. To start, flip the 5-star base upside down and insert the casters into the holes, pushing down firmly until they click. Turn the base upright and place the gas lifter in the center of the base. Insert base covers over the gas lifter. Now place the seat base and posture sure 3-lever mechanism onto the gas lifter. Then insert the back into the upright behind the seat. And there you have it, the Enduro Mesh office chair by Jasper J. Thanks for watching and congratulations on a great new addition to your office.